My name is George, or Jorge, or George with a J. I've been here for 2 years. She just got 2 years, I think it was a couple days ago. I am now working with internal assist / escalations. Just started that a couple of months ago. Really cool. Moving in the right direction. Last year was pretty rough around the whole office. I'm a team player. That's what I like. I like to make sure that everybody around me is moving forward. In any which way that I can help do that, that's who I am. And that's what I like. That's what I'm about. So I guess that's why I got the collaboration award.
Mr. George, come on up. I think something that frankly touched me the most was during the hurricane, and I wasn't even here, but I heard stories that you opened your house to fellow team members that lost theirs. And that is a remarkable character trait. Above and beyond, collaboration, it goes to the core of who you are as a person and what we represent as an organization as well. So, Jorge, congratulations, buddy.
Hey! The culture, the people, the atmosphere. It's really different than everything else that I've been at, which is what makes me want to grow with it, and then the fact that it's able to grow, and the fact that it's still growing, the fact that there's so much potential still out there with this company is just phenomenally, it's worth the stay. To be a manager, I'm in that process now. I'm trying to step that way. So yeah, that's the goal. So I can push the culture. All right, so I can go back to where we were as far as fundamental wise compared to what it is now, to where it's getting back to where it was, but just kind of help push it. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Don't give up. You're gonna get anxiety. I get it. Just trust the process. Don't give up. Don't worry about what they're saying. Just do what you want to do.